Hey all, welcome to my channel. Thanks for watching. Today I got a little something here. I got the 3-inch driver bit set from Harbor Freight. I also got a new camera. My old phone I'm going to be using for my new camera. And I see this time stamp in the middle. I hope that's not on the video, but we'll find out. I'll have to check my settings. Okay, so here we go. We got the new 3-inch driver bit set from Harbor Freight. This is their Warrior brand. I believe this is their lowest brand on their totem pole. Then they have Bauer and Hercules. I think the Bauer is the top brand. I'm not sure if Bauer or Hercules. If someone let me know down in the comments. I think Bauer's their main brand, but I could be wrong. But anyway, I digress. We're looking at the 36-piece 3-inch driver bit set, and I was happy to find this in my local Harbor Freight, and I know you can get it online on their website. Let's check it out. Alright, so look what we got here. Let's get rid of that. We don't need that anymore. Look at this set, 3-inch long bits. And look at the size of this flat bit they put in here. 5/16. I haven't seen this on any of the sets. 5/16, so it's actually thicker than the 1/4 inch. See it? Oh, this camera is much better than my old one, I think we're gonna like this. I just had to get used to this. I might have to clean up a little better, but looks good so far. All right. Look at that. The only problem I have with this, I previously opened it, and this tip isn't going in my bit holders. So I think that's the only one though, and probably because it's made out of a thicker piece of steel, and they ground this down, and maybe somebody didn't do it right. But anyway, I'm going to fix that to make it work, and that's not a big problem. All right, now the other thing that I like about this set is the Torx. I love to have these Torx when I'm taking tools apart. Okay, everything has Torx these days. But look at these. Look at this. This is the T10. T10. I love that I have this now. And then the boot, they gave us a set of Torx with the hollow tip for security screws. So they're calling that. This is a T8 with a hollow screw. And these are all made of CRV steel. What is CRV steel? That's just basically it's chrome vanadium special mix that they use for these bits that makes them extra hard. Okay, then we have a set of Allens. The only thing I was disappointed was that they're metric Allens, but most of the tools using Allens, they're using metric Allen, so it really is a good thing to have. I just wish they would have put a set of SAE Allens in here too. You know what I mean? Instead of extra Phillips heads. And then we have these what they call posi drives in here, right? Calling it Hollow Star. That Hollow Star is these, the security bits for the Torx. That's Hollow Star. 6 hex, 5 posi type. So that's PZ1 times 2, PZ2 times 2, and 1 PZ3. Now I think these are the PZs. Right, let's see this, and it also has this here. Alright, see these PZs? Looks like a Phillips, but it has this extra slot in it. That's a PZ. See, this is a PZ2. And this says PZ3, this big one. That's the single. And then it comes with one of these bit holders. It's a nice deep one, I like that. Let's see how it fits. Fits good. Nice. Oh, it's got a good magnet. Pretty good magnet, not like some of the other ones that I've had. It's a good magnet. Nice. It comes in with this little extra piece here. Because I can see what they did here. They had that little red set. And it used to have a bit holder laying in the slot at the bottom here. Well, they just extended it up for this piece, 36 piece set. They added 4 pieces. And they stuck it in here. That's all. No big deal. I like it. Anyway. Yeah, aside from this one bit not fitting in my bit holder, I don't have any problem with these. We should try this in another bit holder. Well, it fits in that one. Didn't fit in here though. See how it wants to get stuck. Fits nice in the extension though. So I'm happy with that. Maybe the Ryobi just has a tight that feels pretty good. They're pretty well made, I would say. Of course, we're not going to test them out for torque or anything like that. These really ain't for impact. I mean, of course, you could use the bigger bits for impact and the Phillips, maybe even the Pozzies, but you won't want to use your mini Allens with any kind of impact unless it was like this. This is good for this stuff, taking stuff apart. If you need an impact, maybe you're using the wrong tool. Anyway, that's it for this Warrior bit set. 36 piece set, Harbor Freight, $10. Get yours. They also have one that's all security bits, just like this. I ordered it. I should have it in a couple days, and maybe I'll do a video on that too. Anyway, you guys have a good day, and yeah, we'll see you on the next video, huh? Subscribe to my channel if you didn't already. Give us a thumbs up. And I got a couple more things we're going to do today. I got some 6-inch bit extensions we're going to look at from Harbor Freight, 3 different ones. And I forget what else I got. I know I got something going on. Anyway, we're going to work on this one, and then we'll see you on the next one. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Anyway, I just wanted to show you these are the extensions that we're going to be working on in the next video. We're going to examine what they're made of, kind of. Just take a look at them, you know. They say impact rated. This one doesn't say impact rated. This one does. We'll see what they say, or what they look like, yeah. And that'll be in the next video. Anyway, you guys leave some comments below. Tell us what you think. And we'll see you. Thanks for watching.